Hey everybody, I finally got a bit of time in my schedule to be able to actually record a job. This was a job where the homeowner hadn't gotten their pressure washing done in probably about 4 or 5 years. It was pretty bad, and so enjoy the video. So this job was a roughly $1,800 job. We had roof blow off, gutter cleaning, and then dry treatment on the roof. We also did driveway pressure wash, back patio pressure wash, a house wash, and then currently the guys are taking care of the windows inside and out for them. So overall, this will take somewhere between 4 and 6 hours to complete. That's with 2 guys for the roof, gutters, and pressure washing, and then we have a team of 3 doing all the window cleaning. So not too bad on timing. Workflow is pretty smooth when you do it that way. So this is just kind of what the house looks like right now. I'm about to pack up and take off to the next gig, but the guys are taking care of the windows. Everything's all done. House looks gorgeous. Customers are happy. So that's it.